Very good morning, students. Welcome to learning classes of business studies. Today in this lecture I am going to start new chapter, that is staffing. This is chapter number 6 of your book. In my last lecture I have explained you case study questions of chapter 5 organizing. Now from this lecture I am going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 6 staffing. Today I am covering meaning and definition of staffing and importance of staffing in this lecture. Beta, as you know, staffing is the third function of management. First function is planning, second is organizing, third is staffing. From staffing, human resource included in the management process. Staffing means putting people to job. It begins with human resource planning and includes different other functions like recruitment, selection, training, development, promotion and performance appraisal of the force. तो staffing क्या होता है? Staffing is the process of recruiting the employees in the organization. Organization में employees को available कराना, recruit कराना, उनको training देना, उनका selection करना, उनको training देना, उनका development करना, promotion करना, performance appraisal, ये सारी process किस में होती है बेटा? Staffing में होती है. तो staffing is putting people into job. So staffing consists of manpower planning, recruitment, selection, training, compensation, promotion and maintenance of managerial person. It means staffing deals with human resource management. Organizing arrange all the physical resources in the business, the number of employees, types of employees or selection of employee, their training, their development, their interview, everything is done in staffing process. So as per the organizing, as per planning, staffing is the process of recruitment, selection, training and development of the employees in the organization, making the people available for job in the organization. That is called staffing process. That is called staffing process. ठीक है, तो सी बेटा, स्टाफिंग क्या है आपका? स्टाफिंग मीन्स पुटिंग पीपल टू जॉब और फाइंडिंग द राइट पर्सन फॉर द राइट जॉब एट राइट टाइम. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टाफिंग. तो नीड फॉर पीपल टू परफॉर्म द वर्क, दैट ये आपको जो इंपॉर्टेंस है, तो ये आपके एम्प्लॉयज़ जो चाहिए. इट मीन्स स्टाफिंग मीन्स पुटिंग पीपल टू जॉब और फाइंडिंग द राइट पर्सन फॉर द राइट जॉब एट द राइट टाइम. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टाफिंग process. Now see, it starts with workforce planning and includes recruitment, selection, training, development, promotion, compensation and performance appraisal of the employees in the organization. ठीक है, तो staffing finds right people for right job. See definition of staffing beta. According to Dale Yoder, staffing is that phase of the management which deals with the effective control and use of manpower or human resources. तो स्टाफिंग का प्रोसेस है जो इफेक्टिव कंट्रोल करता है और मैन पावर रिसोर्सेज, ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज का इफेक्टिवली यूज़ करता है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस. नाउ सी नीड एंड इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ स्टाफिंग. ऑब्टेनिंग कॉम्पिटेंट पर्सन. स्टाफिंग की क्यों इंपॉर्टेंस है बेटा? बिकॉज प्रॉपर स्टाफिंग हेल्प्स इन डिस्कवरिंग एंड ऑब्टेनिंग कॉम्पिटेंट पर्सनल फॉर वेरियस जॉब. ठीक है, तो वॉट एवर इज़ द रिक्वायरमेंट, एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट द कॉम्पिटेंट पर्सन को अवेलेबल कराना इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस. देन हाई परफॉर्मेंस, सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंस. प्रॉपर स्टाफिंग इंश्योर्स हायर परफॉर्मेंस बाय पुटिंग राइट पर्सन ऑन द राइट जॉब. जब स्टाफिंग प्रॉपर होगी तो राइट पर्सन एज पर देयर क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस दे विल बी ऑन द राइट जॉब. तो इट मीन्स दे आर गेटिंग द हायर परफॉर्मेंस इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. The number 3 is continuous growth. If there is proper staffing, then it ensures continuous survival and growth of the enterprise. Growth of enterprise depend करता है आपकी proper staffing के ऊपर. जब staffing अगर सही होगा, right person at right job, as per their qualification, as per their experience, they are getting the job. It means there is continuous growth in the organization. Then optimum utilization of human resources. It prevent underutilization of personnel and higher labor cost. Means low labor cost पे आपके जो है अच्छे employees को available कराना. That is the work of staffing process. It improves job satisfaction. Yes, staffing improves job satisfaction and develops the morale of the employees. So staffing is the third function of management. Staffing is recruitment, selection, training and development of the employees in the organization. Making people available in the organization as per their qualification and experience. That is called staffing process. I hope you have understand. Note down all the topics properly in your copy. Thank you beta. Have a nice day.